Everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Belinda. It's a random Sunday and I've woken up late today because yesterday was a good day, and I slept late and I'm awake and I'm tired, but I'm awake and glad to be shooting this video. So that's that. If you've noticed anything different about my blog, is because I've changed my blog name from Shades of Bells. Is this video in focus even? I've changed my... What am I doing? I'm sorry. I've changed my blog name, my YouTube name, from Shades of Bells to Malkia Bells. If you've noticed that from my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my Instagram page, and it's because people used to think that Shades of Bells has something to do with 50 Shades of Grey, which is wrong. Because I don't fuck again because I'm trying to figure this camera out, guys. So I was saying I've changed my blog name, my YouTube name, my Facebook page name, my Instagram page name from Shades of Bells to Malkia Bells because people used to think that Shades of Bells has something to do with Shades of Grey. I don't know why, but it has nothing to do with that. And I know you'd wonder why I would name my blog Shades of Bells. It was to represent my different interests. I am an engineer, I love fashion, I love photography, and Shades of Bells are supposed to represent these three things: engineering, fashion, photography. And I've actually come to realize I can't link the three. I can link fashion and photography, but I can't actually link engineering and fashion. I don't know how people do it. If there's someone who can link these three, let me know, but that was the reason why. Okay, yeah. And I've switched to Malkia Bells, which was actually my first Twitter handle name in 2009 when I joined Twitter. I was a little bit late, yeah, but that was my first Twitter name, at Malkia Bells. And I thought the name suited me well at the time. I was joining campus, or yet to join campus. Oh my god, I am so old. I am just letting you know what my age is. Why? And other things, I have my hair natural. I have my hair natural. This thing keeps getting out of focus. No, oh no, that's okay. Okay, that's better. Yeah, I have my hair natural. I've actually washed it and styled it. There's a put on one line over here, another half line over this side, bobby pins, and done. It actually looks good. I was apprehensive about styling my hair natural actually yesterday when I was going for team building with my colleagues. There's a video in my Instagram, I'll show it to you, and I didn't know how to style my hair. Before that, I've been wearing a wig. I don't know why I bought that stupid thing. It does not look pretty at all. And to my friends and my sisters who showed me love by telling me that thing is not pretty, thank you, even though I was stubborn to wear it because I felt like I needed to spend my money, like, no, to feel the worth of my money, if that makes sense, because I bought it. Like, let me just wear it. Like, I spent money on this, let me just wear it. And I don't know if it can be custom made and maybe cut and trained for it to look better, but we'll see. If I figure that out, I'll show it to you. Yeah, so this is what I am wearing today. Animal print. It's actually a corset. I think this trend is in right now. You know, wearing how would you call this? How would you call this? In no, not in agreements. But what am I saying? I keep losing you. I'm tired. but I'm here and I'm shooting this video. So like bralettes and wearing such kind of things are in right now, and I have this on. It's actually a shirt that you can button, and if you cinch it over here with the belt, you get an official look. It also has buttons on the back. I think I should show you this look outside. Yeah, I think we should go outside so you can see this whole look from head to toe. And do you love my lipstick? I know you do. So meet you outside. And I don't know why I keep doing this because I'm hip hop with it. Okay, see you outside. Hi guys, can you see me? We're outside. I'm here to show you the look that I have on, and let me put on some shoes that I would style it with. I had some sandals on. I don't know if you can hear me, but I really hope you can see me. Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays. Happy love this solution to mine. That we wear some clothes as well, and everyday shoes. Let me show you to you. And these, I wear these all the time. Little lady like this. I think it's sexy. I think they are, I don't know if you can see them perfectly, but these are the shoes. See you. Bye.